Okay, who's this for? Wait a minute. Okay, who's this for?
Alice.
Whose birthday? Why? What's today?
Alice's birthday.
Woohoo! Okay, let's see it.
When you have a party and you both think when we're coming to a party, we're coming. Come to a birthday party. Come to a birthday party. Come to a birthday party.
Maybe make a wish and make a wish.
And make a wish and make a wish. The clock tells you which time it is. If it's 8:15 and you're going to a birthday party, to the birthday party starts at 8:15.
Okay, let's sing it.
Birthday party, birthday party. Now the dormant's main. Birthday party, and the music came. Birthday party, oh, the music play. Birthday party away.
Okay, can we sing happy birthday now? Happy
birthday.
Woohoo!
Not sing happy birthday.
Well, then you gotta make that song that you just made for Alice, or say happy birthday, Alice. Love you.
Happy birthday, Alice. Love you.
Love you so much.
Love you so much.
Do you know that Alice was the one when you were born that she was right there. She was the first person to hold you. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah, she was. She took care of me all the time while you were being born. Isn't that cool? So she's your number one godmother. Yeah. So we love you. Tell her, don't forget to tell her to make a wish.
Make a wish, Alice.
Okay. Mwah.
Mwah.